Hello my dear students, let us discuss about design considerations for earth dams. As may be observed from the modes of failures of earth dams, there are three main types which have to be prevented in a safe design of embankment dam or earth dam. These are, the first one is safety against hydraulic failures due to overtopping, rain cuts, wave action or tailwater. Second one is safety against seepage failures due to internal erosion and development of pore pressure due to insufficient drainage. Third one is safety against structural instability. In addition to that, we may have to conduct some special design requirements also. The features in design that must be incorporated in order to take care of the above criteria are elaborated in the Bureau of Indian Standard Codes IS 12169-1987, Criteria for Design of Small Embankment Dams, and IS 8826-1978, Guidelines for Design of Large Earth and Rockfill Dams, from which the following have been summarized. First point, let us discuss about safety against hydraulic failures. Sufficient spillway capacity should be provided to prevent overtopping of embankment during and after construction. The freeboard should be sufficient enough to prevent overtopping by waves. Sufficient height of dam has to be provided to take care of any future settlement and consequent loss of freeboard. Upstream slope shall be protected by riprap, which is a layer of rock fragments against wave action. The downstream slope of the embankment should be protected by turfing, that is growing of grass on the surface against erosion by rain wash. A system of open passed drains along the sloping surface terminating in longitudinal collecting drains at the junction of berm and slope shall have to be provided at 90 meters center to center to drain the rainwater. Drains may be formed of stone pitching or with precast concrete sections. Downstream slope of embankment, if affected upon by tailwater, should be protected by placing riprap of 300 mm thickness over proper filter layers up to 1 meter above the maximum tailwater level. These are some of the safety features against the hydraulic failures. Next one is safety against seepage failures. Amount of seepage water passing through the embankment and foundation should be limited so as to control piping, erosion, slogging and excessive loss of water. The phreatic line should be well within the downstream face of the dam to prevent slogging. Seepage water through the dam or foundation should not be so high that may cause a removal of fine materials from the body of the dam, leading to piping failures. There should not be any leakage of water from the upstream to the downstream face, which may occur through conduits at joints between the earth and concrete dam sections or through holes made by burrowing animals. Next point is safety against structural instability. The slopes of the embankment on the upstream and downstream should be stable under all loading conditions. Embankment slopes have to be designed in accordance with Bureau of Indian Standard Code IS 7894-1975, Code of Practice for Stability Analysis of Earth Dams. The embankment slopes should also be flat enough so as not to impose excessive stresses on the foundation and as much be within the permissible limits of the shear strength of the material. The next one is special design requirements. According to IS 8826/1978, an embankment dam should, in addition to the basic design requirements detailed above, those three requirements, has to satisfy the criteria of control of cracking, stability in earthquake regions, and stability at junctions. For example, I have to take care about these things also: control of cracking, stability in earthquake regions, and stability at junctions. So these three additional points have to be considered while designing the embankment dam or earth dam. So this is about the design considerations of embankment. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.